Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discuss with you how to use Serene Herbs Soursop Bitters Liquid Tonic. So you might be wondering, what is these Serene Herbs Soursop that you may be hearing or seeing online? Well, in this case, Serene Herbs Soursop Bitters is a liquid herbal tonic formulated to support digestive health and regular bowel function. Now, according to the official website here, the product combines 17 herbal ingredients, including soursop leaf, and other traditional botanicals. Now, in a bitters formula inspired by Caribbean and West African herbal traditions. Now, the company markets it as a daily wellness tonic intended to support comfortable digestion, regular elimination, and reduce bloating as part of a healthy lifestyle. Now, the formula contains ingredients such as soursop leaf, senna, turmeric, ginger, neem, black seed, tamarind, and black pepper, along with other herbs here, according to the manufacturer. Now, these ingredients are included to support digestive activity, bile flow, gut comfort, and regularity. Now, the product is available in multiple flavors, including the original formula and fruit flavored versions, while keeping the same herbal bitters concept. Now, using the tonic is quite simple. Now, the official directions recommend taking 1 tablespoon twice daily, preferably after meals, and mixing it with water, juice, or other beverage if desired. Now, if you're new to herbal bitters here, the manufacturer suggests starting with 1 tablespoon once daily for the first 3 to 5 days, then increasing to the full serving as your body adjusts. Now, the company emphasized that consistent daily use is more important than taking larger amounts. Now, the product is sold in several bundle options here. Now, at the time that we are viewing this, as of this moment, the official website lists 2 bottles for $59.99, 4 bottles for $89.99, and 6 bottles at around $109.99, with subscription discounts, free shipping on qualifying orders, and a 60-day money-back guarantee available through the official store, and pricing promotions may change over time, so keep that in mind. Now, also the website here explains that the tonic works through the traditional use of herbal bitters, which are intended to stimulate the body's natural digestive reflexes through their bitter taste, unlike sweetened digestive supplements. Now, the company says bitters are designed to encourage digestive activity and support regular elimination as part of a daily routine. Now, if you do have any, in this case, if you're taking medications or supplements already, or if you have any underlying medical conditions, well, in this case, it's better to consult a doctor first just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.